You're trying to confront me with the statements made in that affidavit, and you're trying to exact an answer from me. Pagka ganon, maghinto tayo dito. That is not proper.
Mr.
That
President.
is not fair. Who is also going to kill you pag hinuli mo, dapat patayin mo talaga. At ayaw ko makita na buhayan kasi gamutin mo pa sa ospital, magastos pa ang gobyerno, tapos tapon mo doon sa prisuhan, pakakainin mo pa. Tapusin mo na. That is my philosophy.
And I don't believe in you,
If
Mr.
you do
Mr.
not
Chair.
like if you do not like my ideology, fine. That is